More countries are now expanding their COVID-19 vaccination campaigns by approving the inoculation of younger age groups. This includes France and Israel, which will soon begin inoculating those 12 and older. Our Seung-jae has more.
With half of all French adults having received at least one COVID-19 vaccine shot, the country is looking to expand its campaign by offering vaccines to everyone between 12 and 18 starting June 15th. During a visit to southern France on Wednesday, French President Emmanuel Macron announced the plan, citing a recent spike in vaccine supplies. With France beginning to bounce back from a severe third wave, Macron has been looking to quickly expand vaccine coverage to slow the spread of variants that could lead to another resurgence. Israel, which has been one of the most aggressive countries when it comes to vaccinations, will also expand its age range. The nation's health minister on Wednesday announced it will begin vaccinating children aged 12 to 15 from next week. Children in that age range who are at risk of suffering severe symptoms from COVID-19 infections will be first in line, as well as those living with family members at risk of serious illness from COVID-19. The ministry added that families wanting to travel abroad will also be included in the first round. However, aside from those groups, anyone else who wants to vaccinate their adolescent children will be able to do so. It stressed that vaccinations will not be compulsory for adolescents, only advised, so parents can decide if they want their children to get the shots or not. In Japan, Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga has pledged an additional $800 million to the COVAX facility, aiming for a fairer distribution of vaccines worldwide. The announcement came during an online vaccine summit Wednesday, co-hosted by Japan and the Gavi Vaccine Alliance, a group that promotes vaccinations in developing nations. Suga said more solidarity and commitment is needed to overcome the crisis, adding Japan will fully support the safe, fair, and effective distribution of vaccines to as many people around the world as it can. Japan's latest contribution brings its total contribution to $1 billion. 이승재, Arirang News.